Over 60, the shocking benefits of adding this powder to your coffee. Have you ever wondered if your morning coffee could be the reason you feel weaker each year? What if adding just one simple powder could rebuild muscle, protect your heart, and slow aging? In this video, you'll discover 8 proven ingredients that can turn coffee into real medicine for your body. But don't skip, because the most powerful one, revealed at the end, is the key to staying strong and independent after 60. 1. Milk or soy milk. Adding milk or soy milk to coffee can seem like a tiny choice, but for people over 60, it can steady their strength. Milk gives complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, which signals muscles need to repair after sleep. Soy milk brings similar protein and adds plant isoflavones that support bones and heart health. Age muscle loss, called sarcopenia, makes simple tasks feel heavy. A morning dose of 4 to 6 grams of protein can slow that drift. Harvard Health notes dairy protein is rich in leucine, and the National Institutes of Health highlights the bone-friendly effects of soy. The Cleveland Clinic also says to spread protein across the day. Mary, 68, from Arizona, said stairs left her legs wobbly and she often skipped breakfast. Her son, a paramedic, asked her to pour half a cup of lactose-free milk into her coffee and add a small pour after a short walk. 8 weeks later, she noticed steadier energy, less soreness after chores, and a firmer grip while carrying laundry. Her nurse practitioner saw a small uptick in lean mass. Plan. Choose lactose-free milk if dairy upsets your stomach, or fortified soy milk with calcium and vitamin D. Aim for half a cup in coffee and pair it with a protein bite: eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or oatmeal with nuts. Skip sugary creamers. They add sweetness without muscle support. Track how you feel for 2 weeks. Stairs, balance as you turn, and how long you hold a grocery bag. If this makes sense, comment milk or soy, tap, like, or subscribe so the next part finds you. Next is cinnamon, a small spice that helps steady blood sugar so today's protein can feed your muscles. Skip it and this will fail. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just for pies or holiday treats. It's a quiet helper for people over 60 who want steady energy and stronger muscles. The National Institutes of Health notes that cinnamon's active compounds help fight inflammation, improve blood flow, and balance blood sugar. That last part is key because unstable blood sugar silently drains your muscles of energy, causing weakness and faster muscle loss over time. Research in the American Diabetes Association journal found that even half a teaspoon a day can help your body use insulin better, reducing sudden crashes that leave you shaky or tired. Take Ellen, a 70-year-old from Texas. She loved her morning coffee but always felt sleepy after lunch. Her doctor suggested adding a pinch of cinnamon instead of her usual flavored creamer. 3 weeks later, Ellen noticed she no longer dozed off in the afternoons, and her blood sugar levels improved by nearly 20 points. "It's the same coffee," she said, "but it makes me feel like I've got my mornings back." Experts from Harvard Health Publishing recommend using Ceylon cinnamon, known as true cinnamon, because it has less coumarin, a natural compound that can harm the liver if consumed too much. Cinnamon is calorie-free, sweet in flavor, and adds no insulin spikes. It's a simple, natural way to make your daily coffee a friend instead of a risk. If you often feel weak after meals or notice your legs tiring fast, this small change could surprise you. Try it for 2 weeks and share your results. Comment cinnamon if you're still with me. And stay tuned because next, we'll stir in cocoa powder, a rich secret that helps open your blood vessels and rebuild muscle recovery. Miss it, and today's cinnamon tip won't reach its full power. 3. Cocoa powder. Cocoa powder isn't just for baking, it's one of the simplest ways to boost strength and blood flow after 60. The Harvard School of Public Health explains that cocoa's flavonols relax arteries, improve circulation, and lower inflammation. That matters because poor circulation starves muscles of oxygen, leaving legs heavy and weak. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed cocoa flavonols daily walked farther and reported less fatigue. Cocoa also supports heart and brain health by improving endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to open and deliver oxygen-rich blood throughout the body. The National Institutes of Health adds that cocoa is a natural source of magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle recovery, energy balance, and nerve strength. The Cleveland Clinic notes that magnesium-rich foods help maintain heart rhythm and prevent muscle cramps, two problems common after 60. To get these benefits, add 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder to your coffee each morning. Skip the sugar-loaded chocolate mixes, since extra sugar can cancel the effects. Stir well and drink it warm to help your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Try this small change for 2 weeks and notice how your legs and energy respond. And don't go anywhere. The next tip about chia seeds reveals how to combine healthy fats, fiber, and protein to make this cocoa trick even stronger. Miss it, and you'll lose the step that turns your morning coffee into real muscle fuel. 4. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may look tiny and simple, but for people over 60, they are one of the most powerful natural foods you can add to coffee. When ground and stirred into a hot cup, they release fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein that support your muscles, joints, and brain. The Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health explains that chia's omega-3s help lower inflammation and protect heart health, while its fiber supports digestion and stable blood sugar. Most seniors in the U.S. get less than half of the recommended fiber and omega-3s each day, which leads to sluggish digestion, fatigue, and faster muscle loss. The National Institutes of Health confirms that higher fiber intake helps control blood sugar and maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which affects energy and immunity. Just 1 or 2 teaspoons of ground chia stirred into hot coffee turns it creamy with a mild nutty taste. No sugar, no additives. Because chia absorbs liquid, it helps you feel full longer and keeps hydration steady, something many older adults struggle with. Omega-3s in chia also assist in keeping joints flexible, while its protein protects muscles from shrinking as you age. Think of it as a natural daily supplement hidden in your morning routine. Start with 1 teaspoon, mix it well, and give your body a week to adjust. You may notice better digestion, lighter energy, and fewer sugar crashes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more simple ways to stay strong, active, and healthy. Up next, the next ingredient, coconut or MCT oil, provides the clean fuel that helps this fiber and protein combo work even harder for your muscles and mind. Miss it, and today's tip won't reach its full strength. 5. Coconut oil or MCT oil. Coconut or MCT oil can quietly transform your morning coffee into clean, lasting fuel. These oils contain medium-chain triglycerides, special fats that the National Institutes of Health explains are absorbed quickly and turned into ketones, a powerful energy source for both muscles and the brain. After 60, our cells often lose efficiency in using glucose, which is why fatigue, brain fog, and afternoon crashes sneak in. By producing ketones, MCTs give your body steady energy that doesn't depend on sugar or carbs. The Cleveland Clinic notes that this shift can support metabolism, sharpen mental clarity, and even help preserve muscle performance during aging. To start, blend 1 teaspoon of coconut or MCT oil into hot coffee for 30 seconds. It creates a smooth, creamy texture without any sugar. Drink it in the morning to stabilize energy through midday. The Harvard Health Publishing team reminds seniors to start small, take 1 teaspoon at first, and increase slowly to avoid stomach discomfort. Choose pure, food-grade, MCT or organic coconut oil, not flavored creamers. And remember, even healthy fats contain calories, so moderation keeps your heart and liver healthy. If you notice steadier focus, fewer cravings, and better endurance, that's your body learning to use fat more efficiently. This simple tweak can turn your daily cup into steady strength for muscles and mind. Next, we'll look at collagen powder, the key ingredient that holds your joints, muscles, and bones together. Skip it, and all that clean energy won't have the structure to keep you moving strong. 6. Collagen powder. Collagen powder may look like a simple white supplement, but for people over 60, it can be the difference between waking up stiff or moving freely. Collagen is often called the body's glue because it holds your muscles, joints, and bones together. The National Institutes of Health explains that after 60, natural collagen production drops about 1% each year, leading to joint pain, weaker muscles, and slower recovery. Adding collagen powder to your morning coffee gives your body the raw materials it's losing, GABA amino acids like glycine and proline, which rebuild connective tissue and cushion joints. The Cleveland Clinic notes that collagen supports skin elasticity, tendon strength, and bone density, helping prevent common injuries that limit independence later in life. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who took collagen daily for 12 weeks experienced improved mobility and less joint stiffness compared to those who didn't. What makes it even better is how easy it is to use. One scoop, roughly 10 grams of protein, which dissolves completely into hot coffee with no flavor or texture change. Choose hydrolyzed collagen, also called collagen peptides, because it absorbs faster and mixes smoothly. Drink it with vitamin C rich foods like orange slices or strawberries. Harvard Health explains that vitamin C helps your body build new collagen fibers. Over time, you may notice less soreness after walks, a stronger grip when lifting groceries, and smoother movement when climbing stairs. For many older adults, these small gains add up to real independence. Start with one scoop each morning for 3 weeks and track how your body feels. You might be surprised at how quickly stiffness fades. If you're still watching, comment collagen below or hit like to keep this video going, because next we'll talk about whey protein powder, the key to actually rebuilding new muscle fibers so your collagen can do its job. Miss it, and all that repair won't turn into lasting strength. 7. Whey protein powder. Whey protein powder isn't just for bodybuilders. It's one of the best tools older adults can use to stay strong and independent. After 60, your body becomes less sensitive to protein, a natural process scientists call anabolic resistance. That means the same breakfast that built muscle in your 40s may no longer be enough. The Harvard Medical School explains that seniors need more high-quality protein to trigger muscle repair, and whey is the most effective source because it's rich in leucine, the amino acid that flips on your body's muscle growth switch. Without enough leucine, your body can't repair or rebuild muscle fibers, leading to slower recovery and a higher risk of falls or weakness. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults over 60 who took whey protein gained 38% more lean muscle mass than those who didn't. Whey also helps maintain bone density and supports metabolism, which naturally slows with age. The Cleveland Clinic adds that whey isolate, a filtered form with almost no lactose, blends easily and is gentle on digestion, making it perfect for morning coffee. Just one scoop provides around 20 grams of complete protein without sugar, giving your muscles what they need most right after sleep. Take Linda, a 68-year-old retiree from California. She used to struggle lifting her grocery bags and felt her arms getting smaller each year. Her doctor recommended adding whey to her morning coffee. Within a month, she noticed her energy and grip returning, and her balance improved during yoga class. She said, "I never thought coffee could help me rebuild muscle." If you're using collagen or focusing on circulation from earlier tips, whey is the missing piece that helps turn those benefits into actual strength. Try one scoop in hot coffee each morning and stick with it for 4 weeks. You might feel stronger and more stable when standing or walking. If you're finding this video helpful, tap like and subscribe. It really helps support more senior health content like this. And don't leave yet, because next we'll talk about turmeric and black pepper, the natural duo that helps control inflammation and prevents all this new muscle from breaking down. Miss it, and you'll lose the protection that locks in every gain you've built so far. 8. Cheap turmeric and black pepper. Turmeric and black pepper may seem like simple kitchen spices, but together they form one of the most powerful natural supports for aging well. The golden color of turmeric comes from curcumin, a compound backed by the National Institutes of Health for its ability to reduce chronic inflammation, protect arteries, and support muscle strength. Inflammation is one of the biggest reasons our joints stiffen and our energy fades with age. The Harvard School of Public Health explains that turmeric alone isn't absorbed well, but adding black pepper increases absorption by up to 2,000% thanks to a compound called piperine. This pairing turns a basic spice into a real anti-aging tool. Once absorbed, it helps reduce stiffness, calm joint pain, and protect the heart and brain from stress and inflammation. The Cleveland Clinic reports that curcumin may also aid memory and reduce arthritis pain, which helps seniors stay mobile and independent. Take Henry, a 72-year-old from North Carolina, who started mixing half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of pepper into his morning coffee. 3 weeks later, his knees felt looser, and even his doctor noticed improved flexibility. You can use this same mix, half a teaspoon of turmeric with a small pinch of black pepper, in hot coffee or tea. The warmth activates curcumin, while the pepper boosts absorption. Add a little milk or soy milk if you prefer a smoother taste. The Mayo Clinic notes turmeric is generally safe but should be used moderately if you take blood thinners. For most people, this blend supports joint comfort, clearer thinking, and stable energy well into their 70s and 80s. If you found this tip helpful, tap like or subscribe. It really helps the channel reach more seniors who need this. Up next, we'll bring everything together in the final summary, showing how these 8 small additions can transform your coffee into daily medicine for stronger, healthier living. By now, you've learned how one small habit, adding the right natural powders to your morning coffee, can quietly rebuild strength, protect your heart, and keep your energy steady all day. You're not just improving your drink, you're giving your body what it truly needs to stay active, confident, and independent for years to come. Real change starts with simple daily choices. If this video helped you, tap like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone you love. We'll thank you for passing it on.